It's funny. Most of us think that having health insurance is kind of this mandatory component of life. And we haven't really lived in a time where it wasn't something that everybody had. And I got to thinking, I'm out here on my family farm, which we've had for 192 years. It's been the McCoy family farm. And that for the vast majority of that time, health insurance wasn't a thing. Employer-based coverage started 70, 80 years ago, but now over 175 million Americans, right, over 60% of the population, get their health care insurance through their employer. Health insurance only became a concept really in 1929 at the University of Baylor in Texas. So less than half the time that my family has had this farm was health insurance a thing. So what did we do before health insurance existed? We took care of each other, person to person, community to community. And now we've found ourselves beholden to these large corporations that care nothing about us as an individual or our health, and actively work against us when we try to get what we deserve and have paid into through premiums and co-pays. It doesn't have to be that way. We can go back to caring for each other as it had always been. And it can start with our community. No more medical bankruptcy, no more networks, no more ridiculous co-pays, no more surprise bills, no more angst and frustration generated by companies who care nothing about you as an individual. Instead, an organization built on community and trust and simplicity and health. And it's not only ethically the right thing to do and morally, but it saves you a lot of money. So if you're part of the CrossFit community and you care about health and you're tired of the status quo and the disease economy of which we find ourselves in, join Community Care.